This is sweet sticky rice with mango. It is the most famous Thai dessert in Thailand and in any restaurant around the world. I'm going to show you how to make this one today. And to make it easier for you, I have separated to be 4 steps. First, cooking sticky rice. You can cook it by bamboo basket, steamer, or even using a rice cooker, which I have shown you in my previous video. Second, preparing coconut mixture. And we're going to mix this mixture with sticky rice. Third, preparing coconut cream topping. We're going to put this cream over the sticky rice just right before it's served. And the fourth one is mango. I'm going to show you how to cut mango. Believe me that not everybody knows how to cut mango. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Neena's Thai Kitchen. Step 1. Cooking sticky rice. If you don't know how, please go to my video to see how to make sticky rice in a rice cooker. Step 2. Coconut mixture. I have 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this all together and stir it. Make sure that the sugar and the salt are dissolved into coconut milk. And then we're going to put it in microwave for 1 minute, just right before we mix the sticky rice into it. I'm going to transfer this one into a coconut mixture bowl. After I transfer the sticky rice into a coconut mixture, both of them should be warm. We're gonna stir it in one direction like this. This way our coconut milk will be rich, sweet, and a little bit salty, and will be great with ripe mango. I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes. Step 3. Coconut cream topping. I have half cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and couple pinches of salt. We're going to mix it well together and then put it in microwave for 45 seconds. The consistency supposed to be creamy like this, and we're going to have it sit and wait to put it on the top of our sticky rice just right before it's served. I'm going to show you how to cut mango. Today I used champagne mango. I like this one because it tastes similar to Thai mango. So we're gonna start from the stem mark. We're gonna cut from stem mark down here. If you start from this side, it's not going to work because you go against the line. Let me show you how to do it. First, we're going to cut the stem mark like this. And then we're gonna cut it all the way through. Now I'm going to cut meat. You see the stem mark here? I'm going to put my knife just above the stem mark. If you hit something hard, that means you hit the seed. Just lift up your knife a little bit and keep on going. Here it is. Now I'm gonna cut it into bite size. To transfer it in the plate, I normally use a bigger knife, so it's easier to transfer. First, we're going to mix it again. And now I'm going to serve it. This one is the coconut topping that we prepare. We're going to, if you like it more, you can put more. If you like less, you can put less. There's no right or wrong here. Okay. And then I'm going to topping it with roasted sesame seed. This one is optional. How is it? It's ready to be served. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.